Okay. So AX is said to be definition. AX is said to be diagonally dominant system if A is diagonally dominant. Okay, so what do you mean by diagonally dominant matrix? Okay, so we say the system is diagonally dominant system if the quotient matrix A is diagonally dominant. Now the question is, what do you mean by diagonally dominant matrix? Okay, a matrix, a square matrix A is said to be diagonally dominant. Let me write like this: square matrix A equal to Aij of order n by n is said to be diagonally dominant if modulus of Aii is greater than or equal to sum of, so in each row there will be a diagonal element, right? A11, A22, A33 and so on. Okay, you in each row the magnitude of the diagonal element must be greater than or equal to sum of the non-diagonal elements of that row. Okay, sum of the non-diagonal elements of that row. That means modulus of Aij. Non-diagonal means what? I not equal to j. That should be for all, for each of the row. Even if the condition is not satisfied for one row, then it is not said to be diagonally dominant. Okay, note A is said to be strictly diagonally dominant. A is said to be strictly diagonally dominant if there is a strict inequality. That means the modulus of Aii is greater than Aij. I not equal to j. Do you agree? And it is clear that strictly dominant means dominant, but dominant need not be strictly dominant. Am I right? Right or wrong? So what are examples of some diagonal dominant matrices? If I write something like -10, 2, 6, okay, 4, 6, 1, okay, -2, -3, something like 5. Is this diagonally dominant or not?
No.
It is not diagonally dominant. See the definition. In each row, magnitude of each diagonal element must be greater than or equal to sum of the non-diagonal elements in that row. What is the magnitude of A11? 10. Is 10 greater than or equal to 8 or not?
Yes.
Is 6 greater than or equal to 5 or not? Is what about this? Is 5 greater than or equal to 5 or not? You take the absolute value. Is 5 greater than or equal to 5 or not? Modulus of -3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 greater than or equal to 5. So is this diagonally dominant or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is diagonally dominant. But is it strictly diagonally dominant?
No.
but not strictly diagonally dominant. For example, if I write like this, A equals to 10, 2, 6, 4, 6, 1, 2 minus 3, 7. What about this? Is this, can you say it is strictly diagonally dominant?
Yes, sir.
And hence, it is diagonally dominant. That's it. Okay. So every strictly diagonally dominant is dominant, but a dominant matrix need not be strictly diagonally dominant. Okay. And if I write one more example, you tell me. If I write like this, A equal to 2, 6, 10, 4, 6, 1, 2 minus 3, 5. Is this diagonally dominant?
No.
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
The
No.
condition is satisfied only for A22 and A33. A11 is not satisfying, no? Is 2 greater than or equal to 16?
No.
So the condition is failed for a row, right? Even if the condition is not satisfying for one row, it cannot be called as a diagonally dominant matrix. So is not at all a diagonally dominant matrix.